You've all seen what COVID-19 has done to our world, our country, our cities. Will you let it happen to your home? You don't have to, because Panasonic air conditioners come equipped with Nano EX, which has been tested and proven to be anti-COVID-19 technology. Nano EX works by releasing nano-sized particles that consist of many hydroxyl radicals. These particles reach pollutants and react by transforming them into water particles. This isn't just a mask or a visor passively shielding you. This is anti-COVID-19 technology that seeks out, inhibits, and kills 99% of viruses, including coronavirus. Act against COVID-19 now. Visit Panasonic.com/ph to learn more.
Panasonic.